Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we are shouting out our favorite sneaker brands on Amazon. This is definitely my choice for best retro vibe sneaker. This is the Nike Court Royale, and you guys, I want to say net retro, but honestly this is just classic. This is going to look good no matter what year it is, no matter how old you are. This is just a really classic, cool shoe. It's super comfortable. You slip on and go. It's that simple. Looks great with just a fresh white pair of socks. You can probably wear it without socks if you want to too. It's canvas on the outside, so they're not waterproof. It's not something that you necessarily want to get wet and have wet feet, but it does have a pretty thick sole. So don't worry necessarily about wearing it on a rainy day. It's enough to where your feet aren't gonna get wet in there. These are just super cute, super fun, look great with anything. And my one piece of advice is that they do run just a little bit small, or especially like a little bit narrow. If you have a wider or like a bigger foot, you may want to order a size up or go with the wide fit. Or you can just put something in the shoe and kind of stretch it out a little bit before you wear it, and it's gonna fit a lot better and be a lot more comfortable. These are crazy cute, and they're Nike, so you know that they are all quality. They're all really well made. The canvas is fused in like all the way around, like double layers of protection to make sure that this isn't going to fall apart. And again, it has that thick sole on it, so you are going to have a shoe that is durable, quality, and it's going to last a really long time. So go ahead and put it in your cart. You're going to be really happy that you did.